of our fan-favorite foods here at Kimmel Orchard and Vineyard is our homemade apple cider donuts. Our bakers have many early mornings and perform hard work to get perfect donuts available to our guests. For our signature apple cider donuts, we use our own Kimmel apple cider that we make on site to perfect our recipe. Along with our Kimmel cider, we also use a special cake donut mix, water, and a cinnamon and sugar mix. First, we get all our equipment prepared so that we can bake efficiently. This includes turning on the fans, warming our fryers, and placing parchment paper covered with our cinnamon and sugar at the end of our fryer. Second, we warm our Kimmel apple cider until it becomes 79 degrees. Third, we combine the cider, water, and dough into our mixing bowl and begin mixing. After it is done mixing, we must let it sit for 10 minutes for it to add the perfect amount of fluffiness to our finished product. Next, we spoon dough into the hopper, and the hopper drops our dough into the oil in the donut shape. After the donut is perfectly cooked, it gets coated with our sugar and cinnamon mix and is placed in our Kimmel Orchard and Vineyard donut box, ready for all our guests to enjoy. We bake donuts regularly so that our guests can experience the fresh Kimmel Orchard and Vineyard apple cider donut. One of our favorite parts of Kimmel is being able to witness all the joy our apple cider donuts bring our guests. We love having a role in their core memories, so we put a lot of thought and effort into creating the tastiest apple cider donut around.